Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix this Epic Game account is already linked to a different social account. So first step you need to do is to open your Epic Games and log in into your account, and you need to go into click here on your name and go into the account, and you need to check your account information and make sure that you are using the same email and same password to log in. Sometimes this issue happen if you are using another email. So this is the first method, and the second method, you need to go on to the Rockstar support, click on account support, and once you are here, click on Rockstar Games account. Here you can see an option of account linking. Click here. Here you can see that in order to submit a request, sign in or join Rockstar Games account. So if you have an account, you simply need to click on sign in and you need to send report to the Rockstar support, and they will contact you and help to get your issue resolved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.